moving on to next exercise, which is of similes, and we have to choose the correct option. First one is, on the cold winter day, under the covers, I kept as snug as a bug in the rug. The simile as snug as a bug in a rug means A. There were bugs in my rug. B. I was cozy in my bed. C. I was too cold to stay in bed. So it is B option. I was cozy in my bed. Second is, the new teacher was as sweet as apple pie. The simile as sweet as apple pie means A. The new teacher was nice. B. The new teacher was big from eating too much pie. C. The new teacher was rude. So it's A option, which means the new teacher was nice. Third is, their leader was as wise as an owl. The simile as wise as an owl means A. Their leader thought he could fly. B. The leader thought the leader could talk to the owls. C. The leader knew a lot of things. So it's C option. The leader knew a lot of things. Fourth one is, the shopping center was like a three-ring circus the day before Eid. The simile like a three-ring circus means A. The shopping center was quiet. B. The shopping center was big. C. The shopping center was really busy. It's C. The shopping center was really busy. Fifth one is, Danish threw such a temper outburst over such a tiny thing. He was acting like a baby. The simile like a baby means A. Danish was mature. B. Danish was acting childish. C. Danish was babysitting. It's B. Danish was acting childish. Sixth, Mohsin was as explosive as a volcano when he found out his bike had been stolen. The simile as explosive as a volcano means A. Mohsin was happy. B. Mohsin was angry. And C. Mohsin was calm. So Mohsin was angry. It's B option. Fill in the blanks to make similes. Use the similes in sentences. So we have to put an appropriate word और similes बनानी है कि turtle के अंदर क्या quality होती है जो यहाँ पे आएगी, like as slow as turtle. आप comparison करते हो simile में as के साथ या like के साथ और दो qualities का comparison draw करते हो. Second word is as quiet as a dove. And then third is as black as coal. आप night भी कर सकते हो. Fourth word is as tall as a giraffe. Fifth word is as sour as a lemon. Sixth is as sweet as honey. Now moving on to next exercise, we have to make sentences of the similes we just did. So first sentence is, he could not win the race because he was as slow as a turtle. Second sentence is, she was a good student because she always remained as quiet as dove in the class. Third sentence is, the night was as black as coal and stars were twinkling in the black sky. Fourth word is, the building in which I live is as tall as a giraffe. Fifth sentence is, I could not finish the candies because they were as sour as lemon. Sixth sentence is, her voice is as sweet as honey when she sings.